In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on Facebook Messenger. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my screen, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up Facebook. Just go ahead and launch it like you normally would. Once it loads in, you should be on your main feed with all the usual posts showing up. Now from here, I'm going to move my cursor up to the top part of the screen and look for the messenger icon. It's that little chat bubble symbol. I'm just going to click on it. And as soon as I do, this panel opens up showing my recent conversations. Once that's open, I'm going to look toward the top of this messenger panel again, and you should see a 3-dot icon somewhere up there. I'll go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and that brings up a list of options. At this point, I'm just scanning through the options until I find preferences. It should be right there in the list, so I'm going to click on it. Once I do that, it opens up another set of settings where we can adjust how Messenger behaves. Now I'm inside the preferences section, and I'm going to look for Do Not Disturb. It should be one of the options available here. I'll go ahead and click on it so we can adjust that setting. Alright, now I can see the toggle for Do Not Disturb. This is the setting that controls whether you receive notifications or not. So what I'm going to do is simply turn it on. If it's currently off, it will usually look grey or inactive. I'm just going to click on the toggle, and once I do that, it switches on. You should see it change visually, usually becoming highlighted to show that it's enabled. And just like that, Do Not Disturb mode is now turned on for Messenger. That means you won't be getting notifications for messages while this is active. I'm just going to go over it again as I'm doing it here. Open Facebook, click on the Messenger icon at the top, hit the 3 dots, go into Preferences, find Do Not Disturb, and toggle it on. Once that's done, you're all set. The setting is enabled, and Messenger will stay quiet until you decide to turn it off again.